Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Crypto Flight Edition. This is your fellow compadre speaking. Let's do a really quick follow-up on our last video post. We had a range for Shiba Inu. We're going to pull that up. I'm going to give you the one level that I think Shiba Inu buyers are going to attempt to push through within the next 72 hours. I do have a prediction, so stick around to the end for that. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action on the 12-hour candles or higher. Welcome in all of our new subscribers. Let's dive into the charts here. So today is November the 5th, 2021, and the current price of Shiba Inu is going to be 5,882. It's below a penny, slightly negative 6% for the day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. ASMR, interesting analysis. Let's go and pull up this follow-up. Okay, yeah, so if you watch our last post, I'll leave a link for you. This is going to stay the same, guys. This one level, 6882, that's actually the most important level for me to know whether or not this overall trajectory will continue. Shiba Inu is in an overall uptrend. I do think the markets still need some time to cool off, believe it or not, although my prediction is suggesting a breakthrough of this level right here, 6,474. Let's give that up to 72 hours. Okay, so from 72 hours, I do think that the buyers are going to at least make an attempt to push through this level. So from the current level up to that level, it's kind of like, I know this is not kind of, I know a lot of people wanted me to say it's going significantly higher, guys. I take it one step at a time. This way we can understand the ebbs and the flows of this cryptocurrency kind of on a day or every other day basis. Okay, so I just want to explain that. So it's a 9% move to the upside from the current level to the 6,474 level. Again, this is below a penny. So that's pretty much all I have. That's my prediction in a nutshell. It should do that within 72 hours. If it can stay above this one level, like somewhere right around here, right? 5,561. If it stays above there, we should see a nice propel, or at least an attempt to push through back within this range that we went over on the last video. Okay, I realize the markets are down right now, guys, but I'm seeing a push higher within 72 hours. I guess let's take a look at the 12-hour candles. I know some want me to go down to the lower time frame, so yeah, that's basically how it looks on the 12-hour candles. Yeah, we got an ABC correction, right? Kind of down, ABC correction. So yeah, as long as it can make a higher low. We also focus on higher highs and higher lows if you're new. So let's just say Shiba Inu actually moves down, right? And it creates a higher low. That's fine. It's perfect. Because again, you have to assume the overall trend, even though the market is having a retracement right now. I'm simply looking for higher highs and higher lows. And if you really just kind of make it really basic, erase everything. If you notice here on the 12-hour candles, you can actually see, if you follow me along on the screen there, short video, guys, we'll wrap it up here. Notice how it's going up, down, making higher lows. And as it had the break out to the upside, you see this red candle here at about October the 24th, 2021, small bump in the road, and then it blasted off to the upside. But notice it came back down perfectly right to that candle where it had resistance. So again, we focus on support resistance on this channel. And if you just put like a horizontal line, you'll notice like right there, you see how it came like close to that level. Like, that's not arbitrary, guys. It's just simply finding higher highs and higher lows and finding support at the previous level of resistance. Notice here, October 24th, where there was a bump in the road there, and after this pretty substantial retracement, it went right down to that level and had a reaction. So what needs to happen now is really simple. It needs to make a new high. Okay, so the new high would be at these levels right about here at 7,994. So at any moment, if you're noticing those, Shiba Inu, no disrespect to the family there, or the army, right? If you notice that Shiba Inu is going down, right, it's obviously going down a little bit. But if there is a bounce incoming, again, within the next 72 hours, or maybe if it takes a little bit longer, I mean, that's fine. If that's an incorrect call, I mean, that won't be the first time I got it incorrect, right? But if we have to give it a little bit more time, just look for higher lows. But ultimately, Shiba Inu needs to take out the all-time highs, okay, to continue the overall trend. Because what's going to happen is, if it does get a nice push to the upside, people are getting excited. Yes, Shiba Inu is up 10%. We're going to the moon, you know, as everyone says. But if it's not proceeding to make a new high, unfortunately, that will be considered a technical lower high and that would be a sign that there may be more selling pressure than buying, at least here in the short term. Just give it time, guys. I just wanted to elaborate a little bit more in terms of understanding higher highs and higher lows and the reason, or kind of the area where it found a reaction here, and kind of, just kind of looking at basic resistance levels and things like that. So hopefully that was informative to one person out there. Hopefully you guys are doing well. And again, hopefully we're clear about, although I think that the market will have a push to the upside, 6,474. I do think that the ultimate level is going to be 6,882, guys. All right. That is the end of the video. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I appreciate your time. Be sure to support the channel before you go by leaving an appropriate thumb. I would truly appreciate that below the video if you enjoyed the content. And also leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video on the channel. Thank you for your support. Also, if you're new, we explore the traditional stocks throughout the week. So if you can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, we'll send that out to you guys momentarily. All right, welcome in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, remember, always have a plan, have a strategy before you, start buying any asset. It's important because if it doesn't go your way, it's important to know where will you exit, how much you're going to risk on that amount that you're putting in the market. Okay, so definitely have a plan always. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll talk soon. Keep that positive energy flowing, and bye for now, guys.